Unlock hidden profit potential on Amazon by mastering the Keepa data finder for your Wholesale Fba ventures. First, let's harness Keepa's power to find those golden opportunities. Navigate to the Keepa dashboard and locate the Data tab. From there, select Product Finder. This is where the magic happens. We'll start by defining our search parameters. Choose a relevant category, for instance, home and kitchen, where many profitable wholesale items reside. Next, we'll set our max new price to reflect our budget for wholesale acquisition. Let's say $25. Crucially, we want to identify products with consistent demand, so we'll set a min daily sales target. A good starting point is 5. Now, the real analysis begins. Once you apply your filters, you'll see a list of potential products. Click on any product to dive deeper into its Keepa chart. Pay close attention to the sales rank history. A steady or downward trend indicates consistent buyer interest. Equally important is the price history. Look for products with stable pricing, avoiding items with wild price swings. This ensures your profit margins remain predictable. Finally, examine the buy box statistics. A healthy buy box distribution, ideally shared among a few reputable sellers and not dominated by Amazon itself, signals a competitive but manageable market for your wholesale products. By meticulously tracking pricing history, consistent sales rank, and healthy competition using Keepa's product finder, you equip yourself to make informed purchasing decisions and build a thriving Amazon Wholesale Fba business.